Hello YouTube and welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you my new graphics card, the RX 7900 XTX. I did a unboxing video of the card, but it turned out shit. I didn't have a tripod and I was shaking in my hands and I couldn't really speak. So yeah, I deleted it and I'm gonna show you the card inside the Antec 1200 case instead, and it fits, but that is just the biggest card you can fit without doing any modifications. So the card is the Sapphire Pulse card of the XTX. Same goes for the XT model. According to the tech power-up, this is the only card that will fit this case. Because I did some measurements of the case exactly, and I think I have like 314 millimeters of space, and this is 313, and yeah, that is just. And I have the GPU sag bracket installed, doing a good job here. It's very stiff now. I mean, doesn't move anywhere. So yeah, I'm gonna do a full review on this case soon with the modern parts in it. I have my 5800X and the Aorus Elite X570 motherboard with 32 gigs of Vengeance Pro RGB RAM. And yeah, all I have to do now is plug in the cables and gonna play all weekend. Do some videos, and yeah, I'm expecting a huge bump in performance of my RTX 2070 over there. And gonna finish up my cleaning job here with the dust, because this is a damn vacuum of a case. So yeah, thank you for the quick video here, and see you in the next video. Bye.